How we doing, guys? I've just bought a GoPro Hero 9 and this is just going to be a quick kind of pre-review. It's the first time I've ever actually bought a GoPro. I'm looking forward to trying it. I'll just do a quick teaser of what I've got now. So there it is, and then I'll do a follow-up kind of once I've used it a bit. I'm looking at starting a car channel. No, this one's just a bit boring, but just hopefully this one gives you a quick idea of products, what they actually look like in person. Once you have it, kind of give you a try before you buy. But yeah, I've got that one. I've got a magnetic swivel cup. I'll open that one and try that one later. And then a suction cup. So this one, do a few dash cam videos and try a few other stuff. But yeah, I'll link it on Amazon. That's where I bought it. And yeah, I'll do a follow-up one in a little bit after this. Cheers.